see my text?
How old are you guys? How old are we? Yeah.
Wait, who is this? Who is this?
Do my favorite emote.
What is it? What is
Wolfman.
it?
That's her sister?
Yep.
Hey,
You look like a goofy looking orangutan. I'm sorry, bro. You sound like a freaking idiot.
You don't even know what I look like, bitch.
Bro,
Cassidy.
do you know what you look like?
Cassidy.
I messed up rhino.
Hedgehog.
You haven't even seen me. What are you talking about?
You look like a cow.
I bet you're an bitch. So you're talking about.
I'm a clown. Get your bird second head out of here, bro. That's why you cannot be talking right now, bro. With your hard ass looking at you. You gotta fight me, bro. That's what you gotta look at, bro. I can hit you with a combo just like I did in Mortal Kombat, bro. I'ma hit you with the bing bong ching chong lean on hee haw out of here. I'ma hit you like Jim Cook song. Yeah, man. Sorry. Alright. Thank you. Bro, we just roasted his sister.
Nah.
Do an emote. Do my favorite emote, boy.
Alright.